Let's wait for all of them to introduce themselves. After that, we clap. Then, Presec is represented by.
And then it's Officer of your branch.
And then Ksts is represented by.
Bedtime.
Okay, we can clap for them. Yeah, with me on the table, I have Mr. Sherif Yamino. He is my score master as well as my timekeeper. I am your police master, Mr. Ksts. Thank you very much. So we start with the first round, in question 1 in round 1. I start from Adisco. Now this is a preamble to all schools. A moving coil voltmeter with internal resistance 10 kilohms and full-scale deflection at 1 volt is to be used with multipliers in order to measure voltages higher than 1 volt. Determine the multiplier required for the given voltage range. So if I come to you, I'll give you your range of voltage. I will take it in the number. A moving coil voltmeter with internal resistance 10 kilohms and full-scale deflection at 1 volt or of 1 volt is to be used with multipliers in order to measure voltages higher than 1 volt. Determine the multiplier required for the given voltage range. So Adisco, 10 volts.
Zero kilo. What's that?
Rebelled out. For some reason, I will keep the answer here. Presec, your voltage range is 50 volts, 50. Yes.
Have 9,900 ohms.
I'm sorry. For what is? Yeah, Ksts. Yours is 100 volts. Yes, go on.
Okay, I have 990 kilo.
Yeah, I'll take that for 3 points. Yeah, so Adisco, your answer was supposed to be 90 kilos, and then Presec 490 kilos. Next set of questions. Another preamble. If the function of the part of the nuclear reactor give the function of the following parts of the nuclear reactor. So if I come to you, I'll give you your parts and then you give me the function. Adisco, the control rods.
The control rods absorb nutrients with a higher kinetic energy so that it may not lead to any excess heat being produced and hence leading to an explosion.
Take your time and deliver, please. Take your time.
The control rod absorbs neutrons with a higher kinetic energy such that excess of them will not produce excess heat to cause a fatal explosion in the nuclear reactor.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Yeah, Presec, the coolant. Yes.
Coolant uses the temperature of the core material, hence preventing it from melting within the nuclear reactor.
Come again.
The coolant uses the temperature of the core material, hence preventing it from melting in the nuclear reactor.
Okay, I'll give that to you. And then Ksts, the moderator. Yes.
Okay. The moderator is used to slow down fast moving neutrons so as to prevent the fast moving neutrons from causing a chain fission reaction. So it just used to slow down fast moving neutrons.
I'll give you 2 as well. Yeah, the reason why I gave it to, now they absorb the neutrons and hence control the fission reaction. Forgot to bring it, that is why I gave you 2 out of 3. And then yours. Find they control or they slow down the fast moving neutrons without absorbing them. Okay? The next set. Additional. A gold ore is found to be 60 ppm. How much gold in grams can be extracted from a 5 kilograms ore? Yes.
300 grams.
Come again.
300 grams.
No, I'm sorry for that. Yes, bonus to Ksts.
0.3 grams.
Yeah, I'll take that for the bonus. Presec. A certain method of converting ethanol to alkanoic acid gives 70% of the expected yield. How many kilograms of ethanoic acid can be obtained from 32 kilograms of ethanol if the molar mass of ethanol is 46 and that of ethanoic acid is 60? Yes.
The mass is 29 kilograms.
I'm sorry. sorry. The bonus to Adisco.
22.4 kilograms.
I'm equally sorry. The right answer is supposed to be 21 grams. Ksts. Iron pyrites, that is Fes2, is an iron ore which contains 20% of the pyrites. How much iron metal can be obtained from 120 kilograms of the ore, assuming that the process is 100% efficient? Molar mass of Fes2 is 120, and then Fe is 56, and then S is 32. Yes.
I have the answer to be equal to 1.34 times.
I'm sorry. What else? Yeah, listen.
11.2 kilograms.
I'm equally sorry. The right answer is 8.6. Bonus is once.
Yes, don't worry.
Yeah. 8.4 kilograms. The next set. This is a preamble to all of you. Find the solution set of. Find the solution set of. Adisco. In brackets, x such that x belongs to all real numbers, and then 3 is less or equal to x squared minus 4 less or equal to 31. Yes.
The solution set is x is such that root of 7 less or equal to x less or equal to root of 35, and minus root 7 less or equal to x less or equal to minus root 35.
No. For a bonus. Okay, Presec, your question is, x is such that x belongs to all natural numbers, and then 13 is less or equal to x to the power 3 minus 4, less or equal to 100. Yes.
X such that x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4.
Yeah, that is correct. Ksts. Yours x is such that x belongs to all integers. And then 5 less than x squared plus 4 less or equal to 40. Yes.
Okay. X is such that x is equal to plus or minus 1, or x is equal to plus or minus 3.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Okay, the reason why I gave you 2 out of 3 is that you had one of them correct and one is wrong. So the right answer is supposed to be x is equal to plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 3. And then, like you said, that yours was supposed to be plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 5. Okay. The next set is also a preamble. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Adisco. With center at 5, 12, and touching the x-axis. Come again.
12 units.
Yeah, I'll take that. Listen, your center is at -12, -5, and touching the y-axis. Yes.
12 units.
Yeah, I'll take that as well. And then Ksts, your center is at 12, -5, and passing through the origin. Yes.
13 units.
That is correct. So why did you make that? Should I do that one? You run the bell. Yeah, the next set. It is also a preamble, so you listen carefully. What is the name given to the branch of biology that studies each of the following? Adisco. Amphibians.
Batrachology.
Come again.
Batrachology.
Okay, that's correct. The second, dust and pollen grains. Yes.
Palynology.
Come again.
Palynology.
Yeah, that is correct. And then Ksts. Pathology. Yours is a different way. So you will give me the other answer. Okay? Pathology. P-A-R-T-O-L-O-G-Y.
The study of pathogens or disease-causing organisms.
Take it again.
Study of pathogens or the disease-causing microorganisms.
No, I'm not taking that. Yes, what else? Yeah, that is the study of dead humans or diseases that kill them. Okay. The next set. Adisco. Cyanide binds with at least one of the molecules involved in the production of ATP. Following exposure of a cell to cyanide, most of the cyanide could be expected to be found within which structure? Yes. Presec on time. You say I did not ask you to give me a reason. But anyway, you are wrong. For a bonus. Yes, in the mitochondria. Presec. Which type of white blood cell could probably provide the best opportunity to study lysosomes? Yes.
Lymphocytes. Lymphocytes.
No. For what else? Yes, I did. Yeah, the phytocyte is not. So Ksts. Which of the structure function pairs are mismatched? Okay? Please, let's observe some silence. Which of the structure function pairs are mismatched? So I'm coming to give you those pairs. Then you tell me which one is mismatched. Nucleus and ribosome production, that is one. Golgi, and then secretion of cell products, that is another one. Then microtubules, and then muscle contraction, another one. And then the last pair is lysosome and then intracellular digestion. Yes.
You have the Golgi and the cell product secretion.
No, I'm sorry. For bonus. Yes. Yeah, that is correct. An office table has 4 legs of same cross section of side 5 centimeters and a mass of 10 kilograms. Now, if the average mass of a staff in the office is 60 kilograms, this is a preamble. Do you want me to check it again? An office table has 4 legs of same cross section of side 5 centimeters and a mass of 10 kilograms. If the average mass of a staff in the office is 60 kilograms, that is what is the pressure exerted by the table on the office floor when a staff stands on it?
70 kilopascal.
Yeah, I'll take that one. Listen, the elastic modulus of the material of the table is 4 gigapascal. What is the compressive strain in the leg of the table when the staff stands on it? Yes.
2 times 10 exponent 85.
No, I will not take that. For a bonus. Yes, that is that.
2 by 10 exponent minus 2.
No. Yeah, the right answer is 1.75 times 10 exponent negative 5. The last one to Ksts. The compressive strength of the material of the table is 20 megapascal. What is the largest mass that can be supported by the leg of the table? Yes.
I have 20,000 kilograms.
Yeah, I'll take that for tomorrow. That means the best is wrong. was a question that was thrown or given to Presec, which has to do with a certain method of converting ether to alkaline acid, giving 70% of the expected yield. What was your answer?
It's like glucose.
Okay. So I will give that one to them. So yes, Adisco went for a bonus and had it wrong.
No,
so
she went for a bonus for Ksts.
just after the answer, and I said wrong, Adisco came in for a bonus and had it wrong. So we have to draw that point. Okay. And then the last set of physics questions I read. Presec, you gave me, what answer did you give? I said the elastic modulus of the material of the table is 4 gigapascal. What was your answer?
2 by 10 exponents minus 5.
Yeah, so that should be the right answer. Okay, so you make that correction as well. That is the last question. I think that one too, Adisco went for a bonus and it's wrong. Okay, so we draw that one with -1. Okay? Yeah, so at the end of the first round, the scores are Adisco College, 12 points. Ksts, 14 points. And then Presbyterian Boys, 8 points. Yeah, round 2, all speed. We are all conversant with the rules, so let's comply. Now the first question. State the domain of the function f of x is equal to 1 plus x all over the root of 9 minus x squared. Yeah, Ksts. Please press and hold
S. F is such that x is greater than 3 and x is less than -3.
Come again, repeat your answer.
I said x is such that x is greater than 3 or x is less than -3.
No, I won't take that.
X is such that x is a member of all whole numbers except x greater than or equal to 3 or x less than or equal to -3.
Yeah, I'll take that. The next one. Please, audience. Find the vertex of the curve y is equal to 12 minus x squared minus x. Yes.
The vertex is 1 over 2, comma, positive 45/4.
Sorry. Additional.
Negative 1/2, comma 49/4.
We have taken that. The next sentence. Factorize 8 plus 10x minus 3x squared. Yes, Adisco.
We have in one bracket x plus 4, and another bracket 3x minus 2.
No, I will not take that. Yes, Presec. Yes.
In one bracket, we have two brackets multiplying. In the first bracket, 4 minus x. In the second bracket, 3x plus 2.
Yeah, I'll take that. The next question. One of the essential minerals in the human body is salt. How much salt in grams is in the average adult human? The right answer is 250 grams. Calculate the binding energy in kilojoule per mole of the nuclide P with 30 and 15, 30 up, 15 down, okay? With mass of 29.978 atomic mass units. If you have the mass of a hydrogen atom equal to 1.0078 atomic mass units, then the mass of a nuclide to be 1.0087 atomic mass units. Leave your answer to 2 decimal places. Or 2 decimal points. The answer is supposed to be 251.04 mega electron volts. The next one. Explain why the saturated electrolyte solution for the salt bridge is prepared in agar-agar jelly or gelatin. Yeah, the bell out. Yeah, so that to ensure they remain semi-solid and do not mix with the hard cell solution and also interfere with the electrochemical reaction. Which organ in invertebrates occurs in
The video.
come again?
The video.
Yeah, I'll take that. The earthworm has no special respiratory organs. How does exchange of gases? Okay.
The earthworm has a large area to volume ratio. Thereby, since it has no specialized organ for respiration, it uses its
No, I won't take that. Yes, Presec, you run.
The earthworm uses simple diffusion across the body surface for exchange. This is because the body surface of the earthworm is moist and has a large surface gas volume ratio. The same starting respiration can easily exchange gases through the body surface due to this feature.
I'll take that. Your next set. Which organelle
Gogi body.
I'm sorry. Which organelle in eukaryotic cells shows shrinking similarities to bacteria?
Mitochondrion.
Mitochondria. A convex spherical mirror has a radius of curvature of magnitude 40 centimeters. Find the magnification of the image.
Negative 0.5.
I'm sorry. So I continue. You have to find the magnification of the image of an object 24 centimeters from the pole of the mirror. Yes, Adisco.
Negative 5.
Yeah, I'll take that. A resonant ideal LC circuit oscillates at 520 Hz. What is the resonant frequency when both L and C are double?
260 Hz.
I'll take that. The next one, and then that is the last one in the round. Determine the moment of inertia of the thin material shell of mass 6.0 kilograms and radius of 0.5 meters. Yes.
1 kilogram meter square.
Come again.
1 kilogram meter square.
No.
0.0 kilogram meter square.
I'll take that. That is the second round. scores are Ksts 11 points, Adisco College 13 points, and then Presbyterian Boys 3 points. I am starting with Presec. During the rusting of iron, the iron metal is oxidized initially to iron 3. Yes, false. That is correct. Ksts. During the rusting of iron, the iron metal is oxidized only in moist air. Yes. False. I'm sorry. That is correct. pH can affect rusting of iron. Yeah, that is correct. We say MgNO3 decomposes on heating to produce Mg, oxygen gas, and then NO. Yes, false. That is correct. Ksts. K2CO3 and Na2CO3 do not decompose on heating. True. Yeah, that is correct. That is it. When white PbCO2 is heated, it decomposes to form a black PbO and CO2. Issue. So it's a false statement. In a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Yes. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, no problem, okay? Sometimes when you go high, you have to come down, okay? Ksts. In an isosceles right angle triangle, if the length of the legs is x, then the length of the hypotenuse is x root 2. Yes, true, that is correct. Additionally, the midpoint of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equidistant from all three vertices of the triangle. Yes. Issue. That is correct. The next one, please. Points in a plane, a equidistant from a fixed point in the plane lying on a sphere. Yes, that is correct. Ksts. Points in space equidistant from any fixed point lying on a sphere. False. I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Adisco. The surface area of a sphere varies as the square of its radius. It's true. Yeah, that is correct. Presec. A heat engine or engine is designed basically to convert heat to mechanical energy. Yes. I'm sorry, it's a true statement. In a jet engine, the heated gases or the heated gas passes through the exhaust nozzle. True. That is correct. Adisco. In a jet engine, air is mixed with fuel and it uses flux. Issue. I'm sorry, it's a false statement. The jet engine does not use water flux. We do air is mixed with fuel. Presec. The terminal velocity of a ball bearing falling through a viscous fluid is reached when the ball accelerates uniformly. Yes. Come again. The microphone is off. False. That is correct. Ksts. The effect of a particle in a fluid attaining its terminal velocity is that the weight is equal to the retarding force. Yes. False. No, I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Adisco. A ball bearing released gently from rest and allowed to fall through a viscous fluid has its terminal velocity attained when the acceleration of the fluid becomes zero. False. I'm sorry, this is a true statement. The next one. Meiosis is a type of cell division that results in the production of zygotes. Yes. False. Yeah, that is correct. Mitosis consists of two successive divisions. False. That is also correct. Mitosis helps to preserve and perpetuate the genetic constitution of an organism. False. Oh my brother, it's a true statement. The last one. Cnidaria, Platyhelminthus, and phylum Nematoda have male and female structures present in the same individual. Yes.
False.
That is correct. The Catida insects in the order Autoptera has a back pair of legs. Issue, that is correct. That brings us to the table. At the end of the third round, the scores are Adisco College 70 points. The next one. I am a red inorganic compound with a melting point of 196 degrees Celsius. I am also an acidic oxide with a metal and oxygen as my constituent elements. I am a powerful oxidizing agent, especially to organic compounds. Since I am an anhydride, I dissolve in water to give a very strong acid, which is also a very powerful oxidizing agent. It is not surprising because my metal is in oxidizing state of class 6. Yes, Alisa.
CR207 of chromium 6 oxide.
Come again.
CR207, that is chromium 6 oxide.
Repeat your answer.
CR207, that is chromium 6 oxide.
I'll give that to you. Hello. Repeat the chemical formula you gave.
CR207.
No. Yes.
Okay, we have Cl2O7, 2 minus.
No. Yeah, I think I'm not done reading, so let me continue with the clues. Still electroplated with my metal has a bright appearance and is more resistant to corrosion. Who am I? Yes. Or come again? Yeah, I'll give you that one too. I hope you now understand why I didn't give it to you. Yes. In my shortened form, I am a kind of hairstyle.
Limitation.
I'll give that. So I was reading, I read the first two, so 5 words. Yeah, permit me to read the rest, okay? I am a one-to-one mapping of a set onto itself. In music, I am an arrangement. Normally, I am an arrangement of objects in a set. NPR is a common expression with me. Who am I? Meditation. The last riddle. I am a type of control system in man.
Negative feedback.
I will not take that. So. I am negative in nature. This means I am non-affirmative. I am concerned with a change in direction. I am also response-related. I am just what you expect after an input. Who am I? Yes, Ksts.
Feedback.
Feedback is the answer. Ksts, 21 points. Adisco, 22 points. And then Presec points, 52 points. For staying with us, and then thank you, contestants, for coming. Okay. It's a learning process. Okay, so take it in good faith. Whatever has happened, you take it in good faith. Go back and then polish wherever you fell short. Okay? And resume yourself.
Thank you.